Good morning, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm also fine. Okay.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay. We will practice the days of the week. All stand up. Circle. Make a big circle. Okay. You will start Sunday. Before you start, clap 2 times. And then you start Sunday. And then continue. Okay? Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Sunday. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Saturday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Monday. Sunday. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Sunday. Friday. Sunday or Saturday. Friday. Saturday. Sunday. Monday. Tuesday.
I will stick the picture on your bed.
Yeah.
And then you have to move around and ask your friend, what's this? Okay, what's this?
It is chair. Huh? Cake.
Cake, okay. What's this?
Cake.
Cake, okay. Do you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. All stand up and go around the class and ask each other.
What food is watermelon? What is watermelon?
Nó còn nó thèm mà phải điều mà tốt là tia thì là ta lên nhiều mình
What is banana? This is mango. What's this? This is mango.
đang là đi bộ này thôi.
What's this?
Baby.
Okay. Her name is Susie. What is her name?
Her name is Susie.
Okay. She is hungry.
She is hungry.
How does she feel?
Hungry.
Hungry. Okay. Do you know the meaning of hungry?
Yes.
What? ได้แปลว่า
Hãy sẵn sàng.
Okay, right. This is Susie, the
Hungry pig.
Listen.
This is
This is Susie, the hungry pig. Listen. This is Susie, the hungry pig. On Sunday, she eats a salad. On Sunday, she eats a salad.
on Monday.
Listen. On Monday, she eats a mango. Listen. On Monday, she eats a mango. Sunday, Monday. Next, what's next?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. On Tuesday, she eats 2 bananas. On Tuesday, she eats 2 bananas. On Wednesday, she eats
Watermelon.
a watermelon.
Watermelon.
On Wednesday, she eats a watermelon. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. On Thursday, she eats 3 puddings. On Thursday, she eats 3 puddings. On Fridays, she eats
5 big cakes.
5 big cakes. Okay. On Saturday, she eats 6 pineapples. She eats too many.
Too many.
What will happen next?
Too many.
Sunday.
What will happen? Sick. On Saturday, she is sick. On Friday, she eats 5 big cakes. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Saturday. On Saturday, she eats 6 pineapples. How many pineapples does she eat? 6. Okay. Finally, on Sunday, she is sick. Okay.
Sunday.
ဘသူပြီးရင်ဘသူလာမလဲဆုံးဖြတ်ဟုတ်ပြီမှန်တယ်
The hungry bit.
Sunday.
The hungry bit.
This is Susie, the hungry bit.
Monday.
Monday, is it right?
Eats mango.
Wednesday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday, she eats 2 bananas.
On Saturday, she eats 6 pineapples. On Sunday, she is 6.
Okay, right, good. You will order in front of the class. Come here and order in front of the class. Order. Who will come first?
Sunday.
And then next, first here.
There. Fast. Second.
And then who will come? Okay. And then next one. Next one.
Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday.
Okay. Show your picture to the class and tell the story. Start. Tell the story.
The hungry bit.
Okay.
This is Susie, the hungry pig.
On Saturday, she eats a salad.
On Monday, she eats mango.
On Tuesday, she eats 2 bananas.
On Wednesday, she eats watermelon.
Continue.
On Thursday, she eats 3 cakes. On Friday, she eats 5 big cakes. On Saturday, she eats 6 pineapples. On Sunday, she is 6.
Okay, good. Excellent.